Welcome to Turbo Rider. The 2025 Honda XRM 150 is here to redefine the dual sport commuter category. Built for both city rides and light off-road adventures, this motorcycle offers the perfect mix of style, power, and reliability, something Honda riders have always trusted. Design and style. The XRM 150 carries a bold and sporty underbone design inspired by its smaller sibling, the XRM 125. It comes with sharp graphics, muscular body panels, and a tough stance. The high front fender, compact headlight, and sleek tail section give it that rugged, adventure-ready look. Whether you're riding in the city or through rough terrain, this bike looks ready for anything. Engine and performance. At its heart, the XRM 150 is powered by a 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. It delivers a balanced punch of power for both smooth highway rides and tricky off-road paths. With a 4- or 5-speed manual gearbox, it ensures quick gear shifts and excellent fuel efficiency. Riders can expect a comfortable performance without sacrificing mileage, a true Honda strength. Features and comfort. Honda has equipped the XRM 150 with a front disc brake and an optional rear disc or drum brake setup, ensuring solid braking control. The seat height and handlebar position are designed for comfort on long rides. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb city bumps and off-road vibrations with ease. Its lightweight body and durable chassis make it perfect for daily commutes, deliveries, or even rural adventures. Mileage and efficiency. The XRM 150 promises impressive fuel economy, expected around 55 to 60 kilometers per liter, depending on terrain. This makes it one of the most practical bikes in its class for everyday riders who want performance without high fuel costs. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda XRM 150 is a true multi-purpose motorcycle, powerful, stylish, and efficient. Whether you're tackling daily traffic or exploring dirt roads, this bike stands strong. It's built for riders who need reliability, versatility, and that signature Honda toughness. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.